In the annals of time, the intricate history of Snowbird Nest unfolds as a saga woven with the fine threads of ancient wisdom, visionary aspirations, and the indomitable spirit of the Frost Weavers, who have guarded this enchanted realm across the centuries. Before the settlement found its roots, the vast expanse of the northern mountains bore witness to the nomadic existence of tribes, their lives intricately entwined with the capricious forces of nature. Amidst them, a revered shaman, guided by a prophetic vision, emerged as the spiritual guide of these tribes, leading them to a hidden valley where winter's magic reigned supreme. The genesis of Snowbird Nest as a permanent settlement can be traced to a collective of artisans and master builders, captivated by the ethereal beauty of the secluded haven. Moved by the shaman's vision, these visionaries embarked on a formidable journey to transform the untamed wilderness into a sanctuary where the enchantments of winter could be perpetually celebrated. Over the course of years, they meticulously carved the landscape, fashioning sturdy structures from the resilient wood of evergreen trees that thrived in the region. The grandeur of Snowbird Nest emerged, a testament to the harmonious fusion of human ingenuity and the pristine beauty of nature. At the heart of this architectural marvel stood the illustrious Frostbloom tree, a living testament to the mystical connection between the denizens of Snowbird Nest and the sacred elements of their home. The Frost Weavers, emerging as the soul of this nascent community, transcended mere craftsmen. They became the custodians of ancient arts that extended beyond the physical realm. Masters of snow sculpting, ice carving, and frost enchantments, the Frost Weavers elevated their craft to a sacred calling. As the settlement flourished, the Frost Weavers established unique traditions, passing down their profound knowledge from one generation to the next. Their philosophy was a profound tapestry woven with the threads of living in harmonious coexistence with the natural world, paying homage to the winter spirits and upholding a delicate equilibrium with the environment. The Frostbloom tree, a living testament to the mystical connection between the denizens of Snowbird Nest and the sacred elements of their home, occupied a central place in the lore of the settlement. Legend held that its roots delved deep into the realms of ancient magic, a gift bestowed by the winter spirits themselves. The tree's enchanted aura maintained a temperate climate within the valley, even during the most frigid nights. It became the sacred stage for ceremonies, where the Frost Weavers expressed their profound gratitude for the changing seasons and the magical forces that sustained their existence. As the epics unfolded, Snowbird Nest faced an array of challenges, both internal and external. The Frost Weavers, however, stood resilient, adapting their way of life to the evolving world while safeguarding the sanctity of their icy abode. Innovative techniques and enchantments were developed, not merely for survival, but to enrapture the imagination of visitors who traversed great distances to witness the magical haven hidden within the frost-kissed mountains. The legacy of Snowbird Nest, however, transcended its physical structures and mystical elements. It evolved into a beacon of hope and inspiration, its tale carried by the winds and etched into the hearts of those who heard it. The settlement's endurance was not merely a testament to architectural prowess or mystical connections. It embodied the indomitable spirit of a community bound by resilience, unity, and an unwavering reverence for the captivating wonders of winter. In every snowflake that graced the landscape and every carving that adorned the structures, the legacy of Snowbird Nest lived on, an eternal testament to the enduring magic of a winter haven like no other.